From this video, you will get tips to prepare for HPE1-H02 Advanced HPE Compute Solutions. What is the HPE1-H02 Advanced HPE Compute Solutions exam? Ideal candidate for the HPE1-H02 exam. Exam information. Key details. Understand exam objectives thoroughly. One. Which of the following is a key benefit of a hybrid IT architecture? A. Reduced security risks. B. Increased scalability. C. Simplified management. D. Single vendor lock-in. Answer: B. 2. When designing a hybrid IT solution, which factor is most important in workload placement decisions? A. Power consumption. B. Data locality and compliance. C. Vendor support level. D. Number of employees in the organization. Answer: B. 3. What HPE tool can be used to manage workloads across multiple cloud environments in a hybrid IT architecture? A. HPE1-View. B. HPE Synergy. C. HPE1-Sphere. D. HPE GreenLake. Answer: C. 4. What is the primary benefit of using HPE GreenLake in a hybrid IT solution? A. Reduced energy costs. B. Pay-per-use financial model. C. Single cloud vendor lock-in. D. On-premises backup solution. Answer: B. 5. Which HPE solution is best suited for creating a software-defined data center in a hybrid IT environment? A. HPE Synergy. B. HPE Nimble Storage. C. HPE SimpliVity. D. HPE Store Once. Answer: A. 6. What is the role of HPE Aruba Central in hybrid IT architectures? A. Centralized management of cloud networks. B. Hardware lifecycle management. C. Managing on-premises virtual machines. D. Automated cloud backups. Answer: A. 7. What is the main advantage of HPE SimpliVity in a hybrid cloud environment? A. Deduplication and compression at the source. B. Pay-as-you-go pricing. C. Cloud-based data backup. D. Integrated hardware firewall. Answer: A. 8. What does HPE InfoSight primarily provide? A. AI-driven operations and predictive analytics. B. Hybrid cloud workload placement recommendations. C. On-premises data backup. D. Secure remote access. Answer: A. 9. What feature of HPE Aruba helps ensure secure access in hybrid cloud environments? A. Network virtualization. B. Role-based access control. C. Data deduplication. D. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Answer: B. 10. Which security technology should be implemented to ensure data security in a hybrid IT infrastructure? A. Cloud-based antivirus software. B. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. C. Basic firewall rules. D. Single sign-on, SSO, without encryption. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.